What up, guys? My name's Trenton Moore. I live in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm 20 years old. I drive a 2001 two-door coupe BMW 330 Ci, and yeah, I just got some new Raceland coilovers in the mail, so let's check them out. Alright, so this is going to be my first time opening up the box. Let's check them out. Ooh, been waiting for FedEx. Oh shit, we got another piece of tape right here. It's alright, we got some filler content. Boom. Alright, let's pop this bad boy open. Alright, we don't need this. Looks like we got a sticker though. Hey, hell yeah. Damn. Dude, this is gonna look fire. Let's check them out. Oh, shit. Yeah, so if you guys are looking to, so yeah, here's my Bmw E46 2001 330 Ci. I got these coilovers to replace the OEM shocks for adjustability, obviously. And yeah, should be pretty sweet. So we got the two rear springs. Boom. Boom. Just like that. Looks like we got two tie rods for the front. Boom, just like that. We got the adjustable mounts for the rear. Boom. One and two front coilovers. We got the expanding wrenches or whatever for the adjustments, Boom. It's looking pretty good. That's a quality package. Don't know what that is. What do we got in here? Oh, the rear struts. Yep. Alright, looks like we got one more. Get that puppy out of there. Boom. So I ordered an extra tool. So that must be what this is. Let's check it out. It's in like a little rubber container. There it is. Oh shit. They gave me a keychain, bruh. That's hella sick. With the coilovers I got. Damn. Dude, that's definitely an added bonus right there. I fuck with that heavy. Here's the receipt if you're interested. $450. Free shipping. Fuck, man. Stoked. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to be installing them on the car, and I will definitely give you my honest review. Damn, there's that extra tool I ordered taped to the side of the box. Like, what the fuck? I don't know about that one. But, I think that's it. That's the spreader? Or something. It was $15 extra. It's supposed to screw in, like, right here, so that you can open up the hub area and like pull out the whole shock and shit. Huh. It has a C-clip on it. I don't know. It's kind of cool. If you want to see inside the engine compartment, we got the N54, base model engine, inline 6. We got the 3-liter version. Pretty stock, man. Still got the smog pump, no turbo. Waiting on a new washer box and shit. Got a lower intake boot coming in. Just cleaned up the power steering area and shit. It's not even bolted up. Put a new radiator in her. She's good to go. And yeah, just been cleaning really. Got the car looking really good. I think I might paint the brake calipers either red or yellow. Got to get some new rotors, some slotted ones or some shit. Should be pretty sick. It's actually funny because right now, who's passing? I crashed into the back of their truck about a year ago. Right there, boom, crashed right into the back of that truck, flipping a U-turn down there to try and park in front of my crib. Flip around, boom, crash instead of flipping around and shit. So this side of the car is the curtain area where the fender bolts on is actually a little tweaked down. You can see a dent here where the grounds are. I mean, I'm gonna have to get that fixed. If anyone has any recommendations on kind of how to pull this area up so that I can, you know, get it all back to normal or whatever, that'd be great. Just leave it down in the comments, type it below. Yeah, thank you. Alrighty, yep, I'll give you a little walk around the whip real quick. This is Boy Cat in the engine compartment right now. He's a big boy. He said what up? Yep. Alright, so keep on going around the car. You know, silver in color. Got some alloy wheels on it. Stock, you know, sport package, size 17, 235s. Dual fucking polished exhaust tip. Carbon fiber wrapped, like trunk light area, kind of cool. Got the 330 emblem, shining, you know, flexing on the M3s and shit. Walking around this side of the car, fucked up the quarter panel, you know, hitting skids and shit, and the door sucks. Get into one of those. Nothing crazy. Of course, the car is a 5-speed manual. You know what I'm saying? All black interior. You know, she fucking rips, boy. Just hit a little pit stop. Fucking reading coilover instructions and shit. I got the Ultimo coilover kit, talking about proper tightening of the upper mounting nut. You got to put a Allen key inside of there to keep the rod from moving, and then screw this nut down. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It talks about using anti-seize grease for the collars, you know, avoid the warranty. One great thing about these coilovers, the Racelands and shit, is they do have a lifetime warranty, which is fucking sick. Just gotta be careful not to void it, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, like I was saying, shit, just hit 7-Eleven. Got the power boosters, you know, some Cheetos, and then boom, on the 7-Eleven app, Sour Patch Kids ice cream, bruh. I'm gonna have to try this shit out for sure. How bad is it for you? Let's see. 2/3 of a cup serving. 28 grams of sugar, bro. Tripping.